Welcome back. In this section, we'll explore future trends and innovations in DeFi. By the end of this lecture, you'll have a better understanding of the emerging trends and potential future developments. DeFi is a rapidly evolving field, and several key trends are shaping its future. The ones that we're going to look at today are Layer 2 solutions, interoperability, decentralized autonomous organizations or DAOs, and the tokenization of assets. To start with, we'll talk about Layer 2 or L2 solutions. L2s are a network or a channel that sits on top of a Layer 1 or L1 network like Bitcoin or Ethereum. L2s are designed to enhance the speed and reduce the cost of performing transactions on a blockchain. L2s improve blockchain scalability by reducing the number of nodes or participants required to validate transactions within that L2 network, thereby reducing the time it takes to achieve a consensus. All confirmed transactions on an L2 are periodically batched together and submitted back to the L1 chain, where they are validated as one large transaction and added to the next block on that L1 chain. Lightning Network is an L2 solution for the Bitcoin network. Arbitrum and Loopring are L2 scaling solutions for the L1 Ethereum network. By improving scalability, Layer 2 solutions enable DeFi platforms to handle more users and transactions, making it more accessible and efficient. So we actually spoke about this one in the first lecture, but interoperability is something that is continually being enhanced and streamlined in the DeFi ecosystem and will be key to its success. Interoperability is the ability for different blockchain networks to communicate and work together. Projects like Polkadot and Cosmos are focused on creating networks that facilitate interoperability between these different blockchains. This will enhance the functionality and user experience of DeFi by enabling seamless transactions across multiple platforms. Decentralized autonomous organizations, or DAOs. These are organizations governed by smart contracts and decentralized voting mechanisms. In traditional finance, this is similar to shareholder voting in corporate governance, but without the centralized control. Ultimately, a DAO is governed entirely by its individual members who collectively make critical decisions about the future of the project, such as technical upgrades and treasury allocations. Generally speaking, community members create proposals about the future operations of the protocol and then come together to vote on each proposal. Proposals that achieve some predefined level of consensus are then accepted and enforced by the rules outlined within the smart contract. In some instances, such as Uniswap, token holders can vote on distributing a portion of the fees that the protocol collects amongst themselves. In other protocols, such as Compound, token holders can vote on distributing these protocol fees towards bug fixes and system upgrades. This approach allows freelancers and those generally interested in the project to be able to join ad hoc and receive compensation for their work by way of a DAO-funded grant project, as DAOs regularly post these sort of ad hoc projects on their Discord servers. Ultimately, DAOs enhance transparency and democratize control within DeFi projects, allowing for community-driven development and governance. As we discussed previously, tokenization of assets involves converting real-world assets into digital tokens on a blockchain. In traditional finance, this is similar to asset-backed securities, where physical assets are represented by financial instruments. Tokenization aims to create fractional ownership and make high-value assets more accessible to a wider variety of individuals by facilitating the division of assets into smaller, more affordable units. This digitization of physical assets is often seen as a way to modernize and democratize conventional financial markets. Real-world assets find a place within the DeFi ecosystem, increasing the availability of these often inaccessible financial tools and opening up new horizons of applications. The tokenization of real-world assets may contribute to the broader acceptance of the crypto industry, with the potential to influence global economies. Now we'll look at some potential future innovations in DeFi, starting with decentralized insurance. Decentralized insurance aims to provide insurance products using smart contracts to automate insurance policies and claims, which will reduce the need for the traditional insurance companies. This is similar to other peer-to-peer insurance models, but with the added benefit of blockchain's transparency and efficiency. Examples include Nexus Mutual and EtherRisk, who are pioneering decentralized insurance solutions. The example of this on the DeFi industry will be that the decentralized insurance can offer more customizable and transparent insurance products, increasing trust and accessibility. Next up, we have AI and machine learning in DeFi. AI and machine learning can be integrated into DeFi to enhance decision-making, risk management, and automated trading. In traditional finance, these technologies are already used for fraud detection and algorithmic trading. These technologies can analyze large data sets to provide insights and automate complex tasks. For example, AI can provide DeFi lending platforms with quick credit scoring and risk assessment for better informed lending decisions. And AI powered risk models can help DeFi platforms and users make more informed decisions and develop robust risk management strategies. The impact of this on the DeFi industry will be that AI and machine learning can increase the efficiency and sophistication of DeFi applications, making them more robust and intelligent. AI may also offer improvements and opportunities helping traders to implement strategies through AI powered trading bots and predictive analytics to identify market trends and enable optimal trade execution. This can then help investors manage portfolios through personalized recommendations and help rebalance and optimize assets efficiently. And to finish off, we'll talk about DeFi's integration with IoT, the Internet of Things. Integration of DeFi with IoT involves connecting physical devices to blockchain networks, enabling real-time data exchange and automated transactions. In traditional finance, IoT is currently used for supply chain management and asset tracking. Applying this to DeFi, IoT devices can interact with smart contracts to trigger automatic actions based on real-world events. This could greatly expand the use cases of DeFi, enabling automated payments, asset tracking, and more. In summary, the future of DeFi is filled with exciting trends and innovations, including Layer 2 solutions, interoperability, DAOs, and asset tokenization. These developments have the potential to revolutionize the financial industry, making it more efficient, transparent, and inclusive. By understanding these trends, you can stay ahead in the rapidly evolving DeFi space. In the next section, we'll wrap up the course with a summary of the key takeaways and provide some additional tips for future learning. I'll see you there.